Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So, the City Council, most of you know I went to the City Council because of the chickens. The City Council were concerned with state law and all that stuff. So, they're dealing with marijuana. But when it came my turn, I asked for chickens. And they said, no chickens in the city. And it's his city, so he can make those rules. So those three are over there. Oh, there's four now. They flew the coop. So I'll probably eat one of those, or two, or three. Can't have chickens. Can't have chickens in the city. So I let them out of the chicken tractor and let them do their thing, and these ones want to get out once in a while. I was hoping to give them away to someone local and then give them back, or to get them back when I move into the country. So, I don't know. Maybe they gotta go in the fridge. So, we'll see. I did see a farm not too long ago while I was looking at a house. They got chickens and stuff. I might run out there today. I might decide to start looking up adjusted roads. He'll show you how to process the chicken. Maybe I'll do that. But I don't have a pan big enough to dunk them in for 2 minutes so I can skin them easily. But time will tell. And you have a nice sunny day.